What if your final act was a gift to the planet that returned your physical form to the earth as fertile living soil? This is Terramation, which is also known as natural organic reduction, or NOR. Terramation is a managed biological process that gently converts remains into nutrient-rich soil. Whether you are planning for the future or have an immediate need, here is what you and your loved ones need to know. The transformation occurs within the natural funeral's chrysalis vessel, where remains are laid on a bed of organic materials that start an approximate 30-day biologic process. The process is precise with monitored airflow, moisture, and temperature. An additional 30-day curing period enables the soil to cool and the terramation to complete. Families receive about half a cubic yard of regenerative living soil that can be used to plant a memorial tree, a garden, or as a donation to organic flower farms and partner land preserves. Legal in a growing number of states, terramation is entirely non-toxic, eliminating the need for formaldehyde, steel caskets, concrete vaults, and emissions from flame cremation. By choosing terramation, an individual's last act is one of profound environmental significance. They make a positive ecological impact, and they return to the earth in the most beautiful and natural way possible. To learn more, visit thenaturalfuneral.com.